Hey unicorns, welcome back to another day in the life of a single mama. Stay at home. So my new thing, I'm not having coffee no more. Oh, that's the big news. So I put in my collagen and my matcha. Yes, my protein powder. I add it in every time I get it now. I treated myself. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself ever in life with nothing. I don't care. Okay, then I mix it up. Then I have my plant-based, you know what I'm saying? I don't care. Meat, plant-based product. And I made spaghetti meatballs and I was soaking my raw gold sea moss. Y'all already know. This is how it looked. I didn't have a lot of phone space, so I'm just showing y'all. Oh, it's so good. Look at these water bottles. Who's drinking all this water? Like, dang, Gina. $10. Not me. Get somebody else to do it. We was at the lake, the state park. Ooh, look at this. Look at my hair. It was pouring rain. That's my hair going wild. Look at the turtles. Yes, mission accomplished. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.